हाय एवरीवन, वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। मैंने सोचा आज मैं थोड़ा बाहर निकल रही हूँ तो क्यों ना आज मैं थोड़ा शूट भी कर लूँ और आपको भी ले चलूँ अपने साथ। सो आई एम मीटिंग अ फ्रेंड, वी आर गोइंग फॉर सम गोल्ड शॉपिंग। इट्स अ प्लेस कॉल्ड गोल्ड सूक, सो आई थॉट I should take you guys along with me as well. काफ़ी दिनों के बाद I'm stepping out of the house because there was lockdown in this country and restaurants were closed. So finally everything is open. So let's take a little bit tour of the Gold Souk and also some nice food and chit chat with my very good friend. So my taxi is here. I'm going to rush. Bye.
In 600 meters, make a slight right turn on Ali bin Abdullah Street.
So guys, I have reached. All these shops are like this along the line. I have reached the Gold Souk and my friend is waiting at one of our favorite shops. So let's get going there. And this is one of our favorite shops where we always buy the jewelry from. Most of the times. It's called Shine, guys. Loads of variety of shops. So let's enter. So I have reached Shine. Let's see, where is my friend? Hi, how are you?
Good.
And my friend is waiting there. क्या बताइए? So both of us are here, very excited to come to one of our favorite shops. और उत्सुकता. Happy birthday! Really? Okay, thank you. I didn't need to do that. So Utsukta pleasantly surprised me for my birthday gift. With my birthday gift, I'm excited. So yeah. So anyway, I'm very happy to meet her after so long. And right now, she's looking. It looks nice. Yeah.
But he's not quoting nice price.
She intends.
Please quote nice price.
Utsukta, how much carat is this?
Sir, how much carat?
18.
18 carat.
But I like it.
Yeah. So my friend is basically here to shop for more bangles and gold chains, and I want a particular ring, emerald green color. So I'm going to be looking for more options with that. Yeah, I was saying this is one of our favorite shops in Gold Souk. We always love to come here. The staff here are very nice. So that's about it, and let me show you around. It's okay. My friend bought me chocolate. Thank you.
She just turned 18, clearly.
Yes. So I thought I'll distribute sweets also to the staff here. And have some chocolates.
Prachi, you should have chocolate. It's your
I will also take.
Yeah, you take it.
Your birthday?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Utsa, take one please.
Yeah, we'll camera.
Utsa, please have some chocolate.
Yeah, you rush it.
Have.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You just turned 18, huh?
Yeah. Shafi, what I'm looking for is
Emerald.
a single emerald stone.
Yes, I'll bring you. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Guys, this is amethyst. If you can see, it's beautiful as well. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
मैं उससे कभी कॉफ़ी पियेंगे.
Yes, of course.
हमें जब मिलते हैं तो चाय कॉफ़ी तो होती ही है ऑलवेज.
This one, emerald.
कितना
I'll check.
So guys, I just wanted to show you these stones that I'm selecting, the carat size. Like for example, this one is 10 carat, that's what he said. But I don't want that big anyway. So yeah, have a look. These are real coins. ये 2.5
2.5 है.
3 अब 3 दिखाओ मुझे 3
3 है. Very interesting लग रहा है. Thank you.
So guys, this is 2.5, but I asked him to show 3 for me because for me I like it out and guys, this is 3 carat. I know even my friend, she liked it.
She approved it.
She approved it actually.
It's approved.
I think I'm going to go for 3. But obviously not this stone. This is tanzanite. I'm going to take an emerald.
You get
With earrings.
400.
With
No,
earrings.
3.5 I will do.
3.5
5
looks
I will. Okay.
good. Good.
हाँ तो खुद ही बुला ले मेरे को.
3.5 looks better.
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
I will do 3.5.
Yeah, I know that.
Sentiment.
It's beautiful. दिन तो रुक गया था. ऐसे रखो 2 मिनट.
हाँ ऐसे.
हाँ बेटे.
हाँ 3. This is 3.3. 3.5 will be better.
3.5 में और
Sir, seems perfect for me.
3.5
Guys, see,
is
this is
fine.
4. No, this is 5. But I think that's too big and impractical. I think 3.5 will be better.
Okay.
ये बाहर नहीं आएगा ना.
So guys, this is another favorite shop for me. I did my wedding shopping, the Rani Har from here. I will show you which one I bought. And they are very, very nice. They give you good rates here. I'll show you the name of the shop as well. They have good collection. Look at the bracelets here. Guys, you see Turkish, the Rani Har, Turkish gold. So मैंने यहीं से लिया था this one.
Check.
This was my Rani Har. I still remember.
Sir, how about this one?
No problem.
Also.
Check, no problem.
And I will just keep it here.
That's the name of their shop, Alwar Jewelry, guys. They have good discounted price here.
Is it higher or lower than this?
This one.
This one. Prachi. The red stone.
No stone. This one.
Color.
Yes. No stone.
Him show.
1 लाख के ऊपर का है.
Just put it. Yeah, it's very nice actually. Yes. No, this is a bit
What's this
too
one? Good.
much on the face, right?
This one. This one.
So my friend Haim, she just bought this. It's a beautiful choker. Very nice. And it's a
One-
Bahraini gold.
1 minute.
So Haim is very happy. I'm very happy because Haim was looking for this since so long. She wanted this kind of choker. Finally we bought in this shop.
This one.
She bought actually.
This one shop.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I shoot it also.
This
Yeah.
one my
We'll put it
Instagram.
here.
My
Yeah.
Instagram.
Okay. Shukran. Today is Friday, Jumme ki raat, and it proved lucky for him, you know. Look, are you happy now?
इनको भी शूट करें ना थोड़ा सा.
हाँ. Are you happy?
I'm so happy. I bought
Good.
my dream necklace now finally.
Very nice.
My set is complete now.
Perfect.
Right?
Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi.
Thank
This
you.
is the-
Welcome.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. So guys, now we have just reached Souk. We are just having a nice walk in the Souk, and we'll have something to drink. Somebody is so happy, and I'm happy for you. Hey,
Thank you, Prachi.
I know you wanted this for so long.
I really wanted to.
Guys,
Thanks.
do let me know in the comment section, did you like her the choker? And she bought the earrings also. So guys, this is one of our favorite places, Souk. It's open, everyone can sit here, drink. So अभी हम भी बैठेंगे, fresh होंगे, बातें करेंगे. आप भी हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें जब तक कि हम यहाँ अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. Such a lovely lovely weather today. The wind is blowing so good and we are really enjoying our time. One thumbs up for Prachi. Yay! Thank you. Shops are open. Things look normal now. But yeah, masks have to be on. So everyone, we just came to this Fresh Hall cafe cum restaurant. We thought we'll have some snacks like juice first, but eventually we decided we'll have our dinner also here. We got really hungry. Even both of us, we haven't had anything for our meal properly except for coffee and all. So yeah, तो यहीं बैठे हम बातचीत करेंगे, फिर थोड़ा और वॉक करेंगे. यहाँ से व्यू भी अच्छा है. I like it. Both of us like it. And फिर जब हम घूमेंगे, we'll show you also. Utsuk, how do you feel now?
I'm feeling so happy.
I'm sure.
How are you?
Very happy. Very good. And here is our food. I ordered for chicken wrap platter and Haim has ordered vegetarian burger.
Yeah.
Yay, we're gonna enjoy. Utsuk, we can remove our mask now, finally. That's my orange carrot. Ginger. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we just thought after finishing our dinner, we'll just walk and explore the market inside. These are all the clothes markets inside Souk. So guys, we just walked inside the Souk market. Haim bought another like a dupatta material for herself. I didn't shop anything because I just wanted to roam around. Stop laughing! She's laughing. But guys, I promise, मैंने कुछ खरीदा नहीं है except for that ring which I have placed the order for, and you would see how is it done once I get it completely. And bas, I'll show you what Haim is doing now. And you can see such a nice, I'm sitting near a well. They've given this area a village look. What's up?
And I got this.
Mango ice cream.
Mango ice cream. Treat.
Yay! Nice?
I love it.
Great. So guys, we're just calling it off a night now, and I would like to end my vlog right here, right now. Hope you like this small video of ours, roaming around, exploring Souk and just spending some nice time together. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I shall see you soon again next on some interesting video. Till then, bye, take care and stay safe.